And I am going live, and I'm going to be live until I sell this NFT. Now, the reason for going live is so that you guys will see how long it takes to sell an NFT in Wombat Marketplace or Wombat Play. It's called Womplay anyway, but it's actually very difficult calling this its name. Okay, on the other device I'm looking. Nah, I was looking at the live stream, but the camera is good, and I don't like the way it's just showing everything the way I want. But no problem. Let me still. I already started a live stream. I did not make it properly. So now, if I go over to the gallery section, this will be my NFT section. So the reason why I'm making this video is actually to show you guys how quick it is to sell NFT on the Wombat application. This is actually not the same with every other platform, because most people also, when I started, the reason why I got discouraged was because it's NFT, right? Now, if it's NFT, I can't even make use of this. So if I cannot make use of the NFT, it's actually not going to make sense having them. So I was wondering how I was going to sell the NFT because I wanted to make quick dollar, and funny enough, I wasn't able to actually get to know how this worked until I started selling my NFT. And this doesn't actually take time. Let me show you guys. So right here, I have several NFT. I have total of 6 NFT. Its loading is taking some time to load because of my internet speed. If you have a very fast internet speed, this should load fast. And I did not buy this NFT anywhere. I earn it by playing the game. I've been saying this several times. I've already explained it previously. So all you need to do is just to list them on the market, and then let's see. Right now, I did not list any of them on the market yet, and you can see the total amount I'm going to expect if I sell everything. Now, let me click on this first one. Now, this first one is actually 2 different NFT in one. The reason why is I actually claimed this particular NFT twice. So if I'm going to sell it, it's going to show like three times. Now you can notice there is an option that says list on the marketplace, list on market. Go ahead and click on that. Now there are different markets, and make sure you have the main market selected. I think the market I actually have selected, I'm going to show you guys later on. So to sell this is the exact price it's going to sell for it. So I'm going to click on use the suggested price, but you can actually edit that price. But to sell it quick, just make sure you use the suggested price. It's going to sell quick, but when you increase the price, that is when you will not be able to sell it easily. So click on create listing, and it's going to show you another confirmation just on the bottom area. Pay attention to that side. It's going to show it with the market name and also with my username. So it's going to sell it and post it on the marketplace. So you notice it says nope, that is actually my username, and it's going to post this on Atomic Player S, which is actually my also player name. So would you like to confirm this transaction? If you swipe, you can also see order this thing and also how I actually got it. So click on confirm, actually other owners, that is what I'm swiping. So if you click on confirm, this should go, it says expired transaction. For some reason, I do not know the reason why it says expired transaction right there, but let me try it once more. Okay, it has successfully listed on the marketplace. I have no idea what happened just now, but I think that has happened previously, and I do not know why. Now, guys, if you list something on the marketplace, this is actually a bug. If you list something on the marketplace, you are still going to be getting option to list it on the marketplace. Please ignore that. Do not click on it again, because when you list it on the marketplace and you list it again the second time, it's going to be automatically removed from the marketplace. So I think this is actually a bug from the developers. I'm actually going to make this known to them because they probably didn't know this, and this has been there for long, and it has been affecting me most of the time. Sometimes when I started the game, that is actually what I did. I did list it on the market and it was still displaying, so I clicked on it even several times, but I was thinking it's actually an error and I wasn't able eventually at random I tried to do it on a different application and it worked, on a different NFT and it worked. So I now notice actually what happened. So let me do the same thing on this other NFT by list on marketplace, use, and then create listing, and then it's going to load up and we are going to confirm. All right, you wait for it. Okay, I did not notice the confirmation message because I was looking elsewhere. But there is no information indicating that there was an error, which means this has already been listed automatically or already. So the next one is this one. This is actually the most rewarding one. I think this is the most expensive NFT I have, right? I'm not sure, but I think this is the most expensive NFT I have. I'm not sure. So the same thing, use and create. It actually pains me to sell these NFTs, but the reason why I'm actually selling them, account has insufficient RAM. Create. Seriously, I don't know why it keeps saying this. What does it mean by insufficient RAM? Am I running other things right now? Okay, I don't know exactly what this actually means. It says has insufficient RAM. I'm going to take a screenshot of this and I'm going to actually complain this to the developers because this is actually a different message from what I've been seeing before. So I do not know why. And then, guys, you can also click on this area, on this top arrow next to the NFT to actually navigate to the next NFT. So once you do that, do the same thing, use create, then confirm. And then, guys, whenever you sell an NFT, it's going to disappear. Okay, it keeps saying this. This is the same message it displayed the other time. Okay, do not worry. Probably it's showing this because either some activities are going on, I don't know. Let me try this also because I want to sell everything off the same time. That's the reason why I started the live stream. I want to show you guys everything on the live stream. Okay, it's still giving me the same error. Do you know what, guys? Let's just wait for it to sell off the previous one, and after I sell them off we will continue. So I'm going to wait for some time and see if it continued. The reason why I actually went back is so that it will be able to refresh. Most of the time, you can easily refresh the application by, do you know, the same way you refresh? Just drag your screen down and it will refresh. And okay, it's still showing 6 NFT, so it's correct. So this is still there. This is also still there. Everything are still here. For some reason, let me try it again. Let's see if this is going to list successfully for me. And confirm. Okay, the same error again. Now let me try something else. Swipe. Atomic Player X, atomicMarket. Let's do atomicMarket. It's the same error. So let me just wait for it. Let's just wait for it. And then, guys, when I was explaining something previously, I was talking about the market. When you click on the marketplace, you can come to the marketplace and you see how the marketplace is going. And then one thing I've never tried, I never actually tried this create NFT right here, because you know the NFTs are supposed to be earned by playing games. So I've never actually tried creating NFT. Let's see. Okay. This is actually interesting. I'm going to try it later on, but not now. I didn't know it actually gave option for me to create NFT. Now let me check my inventory. Let me see if it displays my NFT. Okay, these two are whitelisted because um I actually do not want to sell them. I earned them from playing Dungeon Master. Let me see if I can list them because there is option to list on the market. But then this is actually a wax, whoa, lowest listing on the market. Wow, this would be nice. Okay, I've never tried listing one of these in the market, but let me try it. So the the minimum amount that has been listed in the market is 0.86, and they says the price is significantly lower than the suggested price. Then what is the suggested price? Okay, like there is no suggested price. Oh, okay. The amount is in wax, and I was typing it in dollar. Okay, the amount is in wax, and it was 14. Okay, let me see. Then wax amount is different from dollar. Let me see how this goes. I've never actually tried doing this. This is the first time I'm trying to list this on the marketplace. Let's see. But since our tutorial is all about showing, okay, this was successful, that is weirdly successful, and I think I did this right. Let me do this also because I also want to sell this off. Oh wow, this should be $3, but then the mining speed was actually very low. Let me see. Hmm. I'm putting the same amount as suggested, and this is actually $3. Now let's see. Confirm. Okay, it says transaction failed. Has insufficient RAM. What exactly does it mean by insufficient RAM? Okay, let me see. RAM is a system resources needed to store data on the blockchain. If your transaction failed due to RAM error, you likely need to okay. You likely need to buy more RAM bytes from the blockchain. Oh wow, I had no idea. Okay, you will get the RAM back if your data is removed from the blockchain. This is this, for example, happens when you cancel create. I'd never cancel any creating listing, or if someone buys one of your listing. Okay, fine, that happened. Then burning NFTs does not help to get RAM back. Um, okay, unless you are the creator. Really? And currently I have 0 bytes and I need to buy more RAMs. I had no idea about this. I swear, guys. Um I feel embarrassed doing this on the live stream because I never knew we had to buy RAM. Really. God, do I have to buy RAM because I want to sell NFT? Yo, these guys are creepy. These guys are tricky. They trick people too much. Okay, now let me give you guys quick info. The reason why I'm selling this RAM, okay, this is successful. Oh wow. Okay, let me refresh. I just have to confirm if it was actually really successful or if it was just showing that information due to an error, because there are two NFTs right there and I clicked on listing them and only one was successful. Okay, only one. All right, one NFT is displaying here and the other one is not displaying. Does that mean I have sold that? Whoa, it's already sold, guys. That's nice. It's already sold. Then I guess the reason why this one was able to be listed on the market was because this one was sold. So if that was sold, let me see my listing. Okay, let me uncheck this particular option. Okay, it's not displaying anything right here. And then I probably think either this NFT has been sold or is not displayed. Now let me quickly explain something for you guys. Um these NFTs right here, the NFT that is displaying right here on my listing. Now, those NFT are actually NFT. This particular NFT was actually the NFT I earn by playing Dungeon Master or Dungeon Master. So that particular NFT, you can only get it by playing the Dungeon Master. And I think the price for that NFT is actually very sharp because I never knew the price was sharp. Now, the reason why I'm trying to sell this NFT was because the NFT, I was using them to play Dungeon Master. And after a whole week, like I earn very low amount of money. Like I spent a whole month playing the game. And let me show you guys what I earned playing Dungeon Master. Probably you know the reason why I am selling the NFT. I think everything about this application is very cool, but you just need to understand how it works. Hold on, guys. I want to show you guys my transaction. Now, you notice my transaction on this area where it says, okay, I think I just made it. So, okay, no, this is a previous one. So, you notice where it says one Batman star. That one Batman star is the game I earn, my earning from playing the game called Dungeon Master. Now, I spent a whole month playing this game and I was able to earn this particular amount. So that is the reason why I decided to sell my NFT because I felt it's not worth it having it and the NFT is just there. I'm playing the game and I'm not getting the amount I'm expecting. So it's definitely unexpected and to me, I think it's just a waste of time. So that's the reason why I decided to sell the NFT. And now I cannot list all of them in the market because of the memory or so. I wonder why. So, funny thing, I've not been able to sell the Infino, and I also have not been able to sell the Bacterium, and then I've not been able to list these remaining three. So let me click on Slime once more and then see if I'll be able to add it on the market. So use and create listing. Okay, CPU is covered and successfully it has been listed. Okay, that one was successful. So let me go to the next one. So this is blood Wombot. And I'm going to click on use and I'm going to click on create listing. And it says CPU not covered. Let me swipe left. CPU still not covered. So I'm just going to wait. Maybe after selling those two, I will try again. But then there is another thing that always keeps surprising me, guys. Whenever I list something in the market, I usually do not know the exact market or the exact marketplace where I have listed that token. And most of the time, when I switch to different marketplace, it looks so weird and so different. Okay, I think I've sold something. Let me check. Which one did I sell? Something has been sold because right now it's saying I have 5 NFT instead of 6 NFT. And I think I just added this slime one bot and so I think the only NFT that probably has been sold is either one of these has been sold. One of these guys has been sold. That's probably the reason because the rest of the token, I think they are very visible and I can see them properly. So let's wait. Also, let's wait for more time, or let me try to list this one also. Let's see if it can give me more. If I can sell it and get more CPU space. Let's see. So guys, I wonder if you guys are getting the gist and the reason why I'm making this video because the point was actually to show you guys how long it takes to sell NFTs in this particular marketplace. So I actually don't need to do a lot by selling these NFTs. You can see the way it's going. It's actually very smooth. Apart from the fact that I just noticed about the bytes right now. So obviously we need to actually buy those bytes. And since I'm not able to buy those bytes, I can only just wait and watch my sales go. So I just told you, or you probably just noticed that one NFT has been sold, and you just noticed that my earning or probably my EOS just increased right now. And also, I'm going to show you guys the transaction. Let's wait for the transaction. Okay, it's taking some time to load. I'm going to refresh once more. Now you can notice the amount of what we sold. So if this is what we sold right now, okay, hold on. It has not updated, because if it updated, it's supposed to be showing like 8 or 7 p.m. But this is actually a different one. So since I'm not able to trace that yet, but it's going to update later on, do not worry. Since I'm not able to trace that yet, I can come over to the marketplace and then just try to get or to see exactly where this is being sold, and to know exactly which token I'm selling or how it's going. So first I'm going to go over to my inventory area. I actually want to know exactly what I sold. So this is my inventory. It's going to take a while to load. This is what I currently have, and it's $3. Don't worry about it. I'm going to sell it. It's going to be sold. So this is what I have right now. And guys, this is the first time I'm selling directly from Atomic Hub. So moving this cash to my main wallet, it's sincerely, I do not know how to do that. But I'm going to find that out later on, because there are so many resources. And if you are finding any question, just go over to the community section of Wombat, and you easily get your question answered. Whatever challenges you are facing, you will easily get it answered. So customize profile, view on blockchain, view sellers page. Man, how do I move this to my main wallet? That is actually the issue. No problem anyway. I'm going to find that out. So this is currently Atomic Hub, right? Now you can actually change different marketplace. Um I'm trying to change a different marketplace. So currently I was on Atomic Hub. Now now let me check the Atomic Hub for EOS, because that is usually where you sell your other NFT, because there are two different NFT. One is for the wax and the second one is for the EOS. So I'm going to go over to my EOS NFT and then click on save. So it's going to update the profile. This is currently still on wax, so I'm going to refresh this to load my EOS Atomic Hub. So let's wait for it, guys, and it's almost done. So this is still showing wax for some reason. This is supposed to be showing EOS. Then do you know what I have to do? Let me just close it and go back to the marketplace and see if, okay, currently is now EOS. You can notice the URL says EOS. So let's go over to the inventory once more. You can notice it's currently showing the amount I have on my inventory, and this is the amount I have. Oh, okay. That is actually my total sold EOS. I know I've sold a lot, but I didn't know it's already up to. Okay, that's nice. So currently this is what I have on the listing. I think this is a better view. Usually I make use of that previous one, but I think this is a much better view. Now, okay, how do we have, this is on listing, this is on listing, and these three are not yet on listing. So let me list this one also. Then if those ones are not on listing, then what did we sell? What was it that we sold? Because I cannot remember the NFT that we just sold. So maybe I'm going to go and watch this video, and probably but you guys are watching the video, you'll be able to tell exactly what I have sold. So if you guys know what I've sold, I'm okay with that. So hope this confirms. Hope this confirms. Okay, it was successful. That's nice. So I have three listed. Let me refresh. Now I don't know what is going to happen when I try to relist the other ones, but for some reason it's going well for now. And okay, I just wanted to pay attention to the inventory value, and I just noticed the inventory value has reduced. So let me try to increase. Okay, I think something was sold just now because before now I was seeing two of these, but right now is one of them showing. So something was definitely sold. Now, let me go ahead and list one of these. Let me list the sparkling. And actually, I would have loved to transfer one of these token to my other crypto app and use it to do more of the mining on Dungeon Master. But I don't know. I'm not yet certain if I should do that. But you guys can see already how quick I was able to sell two NFT. If you notice from the beginning of the video, I had 6 NFTs and I just sold two of them because if you notice right now is remaining six, is remaining four right now. So let me close this because I'm not ready to buy. I'm not ready to buy your RAM. So relax, man. Okay, hold on. I think it says RAM usage 4,000. RAM usage is almost full. So I wonder if this gets full or increases. It says RAM is a system resources needed to store data. But how many data do I have to store? I don't even have much data on this device. Okay, I don't have much data on this device. So, anyways, we have 4 token remaining to sell, and hopefully I'll be able to sell it without buying any RAM. Hopefully, so maybe if I sell one of these, I'm going to list another one. So let's keep waiting. So out of 6 NFT we sold two. Okay, we sold three because I also sold one of the wax NFT. I'm also going to go over to the app and check if it's still available. Sorry about the background. I have some noisy brothers. Okay. Guys, I'm still a novice. There are so many people you can learn from, and you can also go to Wombat Master YouTube channel to learn more. There are so many places you can learn a lot from a Wombat Master. Okay, this I can buy more. Let me see. Let me see. If I if I'm buying one, it says I'll pay 0.00 EOS. So how about if I'm buying 10? Really? Are you sure I'm not paying anything? Let me try. Yeah. I'm just curious at what is going to bring up. Okay, Byram EOS. What exactly am I paying to these guys? Because I really don't want to reduce the money. Transaction failed. Net usage is too high. Okay. NFT system resources needed to execute transaction on the blockchain. If your transaction failed due to NFT net error, you likely need to stake more token on your account. Oh, staking. But I'm not ready to stake yet. Why do I have to stake? I didn't knew I have to stake. Okay, guys, this is making my live streaming messed up. I'm really sorry. My apologies. I never expected it to be this way. So let me see. And again, this doesn't used to take this long. It's usually very fast. It's usually very very fast, and I think all of these have to do with the RAM error that is showing. I don't know why, and even my phone is taking so much time to load. Let me refresh. Okay, almost done. Okay, we still have these guys. This is unbelievable. I have never sold an NFT that would take this long time. So um I think I'm definitely going to end this live stream because there are so many things that I don't understand. Probably the reason why this NFT has not been sold also have to do with the memory size or so. So the bandwidth, or did you say data size? So I'm going to have to learn more about this, and guys, after learning it, I'm going to have to either make more video about it or continue the live stream. But you can see how fast it is to sell your NFT. And also, I'm going to switch to wax and confirm if the wax have also been sold, and hopefully it has been sold, because this doesn't actually take this long before. And I wouldn't say I'm disappointed in the application anyway. I've been able to make $2 in a short time. I would not specify because I started it, I got tired because I did not understand, and then when I came back, I was already used to it, and everything was way easy. So this is still here, and I've not sold it. And I'm also still suspecting that it is have to do with the data size or the RAM size, whatever it is. That is probably the reason why I still have this NFT here. But that is definitely $3 right there. If I can transfer this NFT to my other wallet, I will really be happy because it's going to be useful also. But having it here is going to be a waste. But most of the time, why trying to transfer NFT, it usually doesn't work, to be sincere. I have never transferred any NFT successfully. But normally it should be the recipient's detail and the name. So you just transfer. Okay, it says transfer token instead. All right, this is the first time. I've never transferred this before, but when I tried to transfer it after watching different tutorials online, it did not go through. But then it says transfer recipient account name. Okay, let me check the account name on my other profile to see if this is going to work. But this have never worked. And then, guys, if you want to use this Wombat Master and you want to create multiple accounts, please never create multiple accounts with the same IP address. Use different IP address to create your account, and you are good to go. If not, you will not enjoy it because it's strictly said that it has to be one user for one IP address. So if you have multiple IP address, probably multiple internet connection, that is fine. If not, it will not be cool. So let me see if this is going to work and also how long it's going to take. But then before I do that, this is actually Atomic Hub on NFT. So I'm going to check, confirm. I'm going to confirm that on my other device to be sure that is the same detail displaying. Okay, funny enough, is actually different detail. So I think on Atomic Hub, I have my full name listed as Stanley Trust One. There is one also. So I still feel sad that I have to. Okay, now I'm wondering if this is actually from my device because I've been trying to change it to number on my keyboard and it's not pressing. I hope my phone is not faulty. Okay, this is actually the account name, Stanley Trust One. That is for Wax, right? This is also for Wax. Yes. So I think I'm supposed to have, you can, this will cancel one sale and remove them from the market. Yes, you have to remove them from the market. Okay, yes, confirm. So hopefully if you remove it from the market, maybe I'll be able to sell the other one. So I just let me check on the other device if it has been received on my inventory. Okay, it's displaying on the other inventory. Let me see the details. And I think it's actually very accurate. Trust only one, and there are so many things I need to actually. 3 items, Dungeon Master. Okay. The thing, guys, I've seen my inventory, but I'm not actually sure if I have received the NFT sent from the other device. Okay, I can clearly see that it actually is. Okay, yes, I think it's the same device because I can see the exact amount being displayed right here. But for some reason, I used to have a particular wax that is not displaying on that account. Okay, I think it's not displaying because it's still on the Dungeon Master. I'm actually making a mistake. So on the other device, I think I will have to switch over to the other account, and when I switch over to the other account I will have to check if it's going to start. Okay, hold on. All right, no, I'm actually correct. It's because my other NFT was on Dungeon Master, and I was actually checking out my I was actually checking out a different hub. So the transfer was successful, guys. It actually took seconds to transfer. And then I'm going back to the marketplace, and I'm also going to go over to the EOS section. And again, I'm going to try to add another NFT to the market, because I think it's still on wax. I think the only reason why it took that long to display is because is because of the data issue I was having then. I wonder why it was displaying that data issue. It's obviously not expected from them. But if I'm not able to make sales of the remaining ones and it keeps saying the same data issue, I will just have to transfer the remaining NFT to the other device. But I'm very sure this NFT sales doesn't actually take long time to sell. It's actually very easy to do. But if you're having any issue or it's taking longer time, definitely there is an issue, just like I discover right now. Okay, the CPU is covered. Okay, let me see. And then I'm also going to try to list the second one also. And then it says failed. Seriously, these guys are insane. And it's also very annoying to be experiencing this kind of stuff. Okay, I'm going to try to transfer the remaining of this NFT to the other device. That is because I'm experiencing this issue. And also, this is also making my phone to hang somehow. So there is a lot going on, and I don't understand if this is supposed to be affecting my phone in any way. But if it has to do with my phone memory, either it's because I'm live streaming, but I'm not sure it has to do with my phone memory. But also, this doesn't used to take this long time to just start running and that. So I have to say we have to end this live stream because I'm experiencing a lot of unexpected things. So I might end up transferring these NFTs to my other device, and hopefully I'll be able to use it to mine on the other device also. So thank you guys for watching and my own experience live streaming with Wax. And guys, I will see you on my next video. I really appreciate it. We spent 30 minutes. I wasn't expecting to spend 30 minutes because it actually doesn't take time to sell the NFT, but unfortunately we run into a lot of unexpected challenges. So thank you guys. I really appreciate your time, and I will see you on my next video. So if I am not able to sell these two, I'm also going to send them to my other accounts. So thank you again and see you soon. Peace.